It's me, the gold. It is July 2nd, and I'm doing homework right now. This weekend I'm gonna probably be busy. Like this weekend and like some next week I'm gonna be busy. So I just thought I should probably vlog it. Right now I'm just doing homework. I've been doing homework literally all day. Like I have not stopped doing homework. But if I want to go out, then I have to do my homework. And this is like for a CCB class. This isn't school homework, which I think for if I'm doing like accelerated English, I would have to do that homework, but I haven't got it, so I haven't done it. But yeah, so basically this video is gonna be a summer diaries 003. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and see y'all in the next clip. Okay, so I did go to Target, and I want to show you what I got my friends for their birthday. I got no fan back there, but both of their birthdays are like, my first friend's birthday, her birthday was today, but her party is on Sunday. And then my other friend, her birthday is on Tuesday, July 7th. So I got them this EOS body wash because I know they like EOS, the loofah, and a card obviously, and these eye masks. And I was gonna get them like their favorite candy and drink, the obvious thing to do. Oh, my hair look a mess. I'm about to re-straighten it later. But yeah, and then yeah, that's basically what I got them. I don't know if I should get them anything else. And I still gotta make this case for my friend. Her birthday is in April. I've just been too busy to order the stuff and start on the case. But I plan to do that by the end of the summer. And then I also got myself a EOS body wash, but I got it in pink champagne. So I'm about to get back to my homework. So today is July 3rd. I'm washing my leave out. I'm about to re-straighten it. I'm watching Love Islands, girl. I'm trying to, okay, but like, so I put some of this Chi. Now I'm about to put some of this. That's a leave-in conditioner. I'm just about to put a little bit so my hair isn't oily. I feel like I'm trying more and giving more affection than she is. Like that much. But I'm low-key, I still don't really like KC, but I'm glad that he realized that he was disrespectful. He's actually starting to realize it. And TT, yeah, she's cool, I guess, but I'm never gonna forget her name. I'm TT. Like, okay, girl, you're TT. I didn't know we were introducing ourselves, but I'm about to straighten this, and I'll see y'all back when I see y'all back. Okay, y'all, I finished doing my hair. I just don't know, like, this front part is just giving, not trying to blend in at all. But for the fourth, I was thinking about just curling it. I don't know if I should curl it right now or I should curl it like tomorrow, which I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow. But yep, I finished washing it. And I finished, I'm not done, but like, so far with Love Island, I'm glad everybody's starting to get along again. Casey did kind of redeem himself. I like how he apologized and noticed that he was being disrespectful. But yeah, I don't. This is yeah. I'm gonna curl this. I'm tired of it being straight, anyways. But yeah, I'll see y'all probably tomorrow when everything is about to be busy. So I'm gonna just lay out like this whole vlog. So tomorrow I'm going over my dad's house. I'll be going to his house for like a little bit to hang out with my family. And then after that, like around like 7, I'm going to see fireworks with my friends. And like where we're going, there's like fireworks and rides and food and stuff. So that's where we're gonna go. And then on Sunday, I'm going to Kings Island for my friend's birthday, which I mentioned yesterday. So I'm going to Kings Island with her. And then Monday, I don't know what I'm doing Monday, but I know I'm doing something. I think I'm braiding hair. Yeah, I'm braiding hair on Monday. And then on Tuesday, that's my other friend's birthday party and her birthday. So we're going to dinner, we're going to the mall, and then there's going to be a sleepover. So this gonna be a lit summer diaries. I know my summer diaries, they've been a little boring, but it's gonna be lit. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'll actually have my phone back because I didn't get my phone took. My mom just took my phone because she just wanted to. So I'll probably have my phone back then. And yeah, see y'all tomorrow. Happy 4th of July, y'all. Happy 4th of July. I'm ready to pop these fireworks. I'm gonna pop me. What the police say?
It's 4th of July. I'm ready to pop these firecrackers. Don't pop them on me. What the police say? I the police right there.
Okay, so I currently look a mess, but that's just I'm getting ready to go. I'm about to get ready to go. I just took a fire nap and I'm about to get ready to go to what's it called? The fireworks I was talking about. I got a fat pimple right here and it's just not going away. I mean it is, but like it didn't go in the way in the span I wanted it to. So we can put that on it. It is extremely hot. It is currently 79 degrees. Not outside, it's 90 degrees outside, but inside it's 79 degrees plus. So I'm about to attempt to curl my hair with a flat iron, and if it does not work, I have this curling wands. So yeah, I'm about to attempt to curl my hair. Let's see this. I'm kind of scared. And I'm clean my glasses. Okay, I can see much more clearly. Okay, we're gonna part it. Clip. Okay, I'm about to show you what I'm wearing. It's real basic. It's because I don't have nothing to wear. So I just got this plain white tee. I'm gonna steam it. And then These American Eagle jorts. And then my shoes. These Jordan 11 Legendary Blue. That's what they're called. These, I don't think I'm gonna wear these rubber stocks. I just put them in there just because. Yeah. I'm about to cock on my hair and then I'll put my outfit on. This. That's proof. This. I don't know what to be fine. I need it. And it is sensory. The perfume. Hopefully my lead out does not leave out. I don't know if I should put the ruffle socks on though. They look cute. Like, I haven't worn them. But yeah. I'm about to get my bag. See what purse I'm gonna wear. I think I know. She's in there making a seafood boil. That's what that's like. But I think I'm on my Kurt Geiger, like always. Kurt Geiger, my silver Kurt Geiger purse really does go with everything. So, I have a hand sanitizer in here. I can put some ear ties in here. I don't know what else. Chapstick. That's in the car. So, I'll get that later. Then my clips. I'm gonna keep my clips in here just in case the leave out starts to leave out. So yeah, I'm pretty much done getting ready. I'll see y'all when I am there with my friends and stuff. So, peace.
Find out about this. Like, how did y'all to me? Off what? TikTok? Yes. Oh, Lord Jesus. This is your. I'm gonna vlog. Oh, I'm gonna vlog for my YouTube video. Do you have your camera up? No, I'm gonna use my phone. Yeah, I'm gonna start YouTube. I'm not starting. I want to start. Hey, yo. Okay, put the camera back up. Put the camera back up. You don't care about you. You stay on the phone with whatever.
We are at.
Hi, guys.
Ooh, it's a little hot. What? It's deep and it's hot and it's.
Y'all, my head is stank, y'all. I mean, this is.
She don't take showers. Me and Journey, we take showers.
I know you not. Hi, guys.
It's hot.
They just too big. I told you cut them. You got a bang on your forehead.
Okay, so we're about to go on this ride. Let me try to.
Girl, you could have just.
Oh no, you can't.
She said she wanted to get on the
Y'all, hold on. I'm about to show y'all my YouTube. Hold on. She's clout off of you.
My YouTube is at
Mahala
Lynn.
Mine, so go follow.
Mine is don't have one.
My name is it is Sincerely Chloe, but it's with 2 S's.
Sincerely Chloe, because she getting it from Love Island.
No, I'm not.
She just
she
hates sincere, y'all, but mind y'all, she was blazing sincere when the show first started, and now she hates him and she wants him off the island.
Yes.
Who's gonna sit by themselves? Hold on.
Still not it.
Not it. Oh, you're not going to? Hold on, Dolly. You smell like cigarettes.
This is weird. I don't like this.
This is kind of high, not gonna lie. It's giving me a double chin, and I don't like it.
Y'all be on the ride right now. But we in the air. Okay, let me take that step in front of y'all. Hold on.
What if I drop my phone?
I'd rather you not.
Okay, we chilling. So,
Yo, that was very funny.
that was, I would say 10 out of 10. It was fun. We went
But
around
we was
a few
also
times.
on the one that spin like a whole bunch.
Yes.
Because
So
some of them didn't spin.
Journey said I apparently passed out.
She passed out like, and then she gagged right after. So I was like, what the?
So, yeah, the fireworks are going to start in like 30 minutes. So, yeah.
If y'all want to go follow me though, because Chloe
Go
Cloud
follow
chased,
Journey.
I'm going to do it too. This my account, y'all. Okay? Go follow me, y'all. I'm going to
And go
post.
follow my account.
Yeah, guys, follow her.
We're back
Y'all,
at the top.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay.
This slide is... What? This is a mess. This is a mess.
This is terrible. Never freaking again.
No. I don't know if I was too thick or I don't...
Yeah, I don't know.
We should have went on our stomach. How you know how to charge it there?
My hair looking
Tell me,
mess.
it doesn't say. Well, if it die, you just die. I'm thinking of being back here.
So I'm guessing the fireworks are going to be over there
Spider-Man.
because that's where everybody's going.
You said what?
The fireworks might be over there.
Hi, guys.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so you get the princess in there.
So, yeah, we're walking over there right now.
Well, hello, you need to get some Pumas. Some Puma Hellcats.
Please.
I plan to get some.
What color you gonna
I'll be mad.
Probably the black and the red.
I don't know, y'all, what shoes I want.
Here's the fireworks, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
Works, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
We were over here taking our pictures looking stupid, but you know. It looks so cute.
We need to take it before the fireworks stop.
Yeah. Okay, y'all, we walking back to the car.
Yeah, y'all, we finna go. I don't know how many fireworks they got back there, but it must be a million.
Y'all, the queen's here.
Shut the freak
Almost threw
up.
up.
Girl, but then when y'all say y'all princesses and gods, I'll be saying
No, exactly, because, no, you get mad. You get mad with spicy. And because you think about
Okay, so basically that's what they do all day. All day was argue.
No, you're Chloe. No, always argue.
And it's
We're
like,
by ourselves most of the time.
my leave out is bad. My hair looks like, I don't even know.
I'm ducking, I'm dodging, I'm ducking, I'm dodging.
I'm ducking, I'm dodging, I'm ducking, I'm dodging.
Duckity, duck, 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 duck.
But this was a good little event.
Yeah, it was fun. Even though we all got stuck on the slide.
Yeah, me and Michaela started walking.
I'm gonna come back to
Journey
y'all.
left us and then she just...
I'm gonna come back to y'all tomorrow when I go to Kings Island. So, peace out. Hi guys. It is 8:38 in the morning, and it's July 5th. Why am I up at 8:38 in the morning? Because apparently we're supposed to be going to Kings Island at 9 o'clock. I don't know why it's so early, but you know, it is what it is. But I just took a shower, picked out my outfit, and today's my other friend's birthday. Like, yeah, it's her birthday as well. That's like 3 birthdays in a row, and like the span of the first week of July. I'll show you my outfit. It's nothing too exotic. It's this shirt I got from Pink, and then this skirt. I don't know where I got that from. Then my shoes. I'm going to wear my Romeros. I don't think I'm wearing my pink ones. I think I'm gonna wear the silver ones with my card bag today. I'm gonna wear my belt bag because I haven't worn it in a while. And then apparently we're going swimming, which I don't think I'm gonna swim due to my hair circumstances. But I'll just pack my swimsuit anyways. I don't know if I should pack a bag. I feel like I shouldn't just leave it in the car. But yeah, I'm about to go brush my teeth and I'll be back. I'm putting my lotion. Read this. It's too early to be going swimming. Like, I don't want to go to Silk City, if I'm being honest. Like, I do not want to go to Silk City, but there be hair in the water. I can't stand it. But, you know, it's a well. I haven't been to Kings Island like the whole summer. That's why I didn't get a Go Pass, because I felt like, what was the point of going or having a Go Pass and I can't even go most of the time. I don't know if I should pack a bag. Like, I was just planning to, like, you know, go to Kings Island and go on a ride, but we're going swimming as well. So, and the blacks don't match. This is a gray black. This is a black black. And it's irritating. Now, what if I was getting changed? She does not care. And put this one. Yeah, I'm about to do my hair. And then I'll just come back to y'all when I'm about to leave. Or like when I'm there. Just putting this on. It's a little messed up. Okay. This is cute. I have my cup. I'm so hungry. Yeah, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm about to leave, so I'm about to do a OOTD. I look like somebody's sock and all. But I look cute, so that's all that matters. Okay, so top is from Pink. This is from, I think, Marshall's. This is from Lulu. Nike, Apple. And the head is from Shein. So I'll see y'all when I get to Kings Island.
Why are you such a... I want to wake because it's a free country. Stay there. Why would you wake him up?
He's gonna go back to sleep.
Exactly.
Still.
Hey guys, so I didn't bring like no extra shirts. Me either.
Yeah,
I'm not wearing that right now. I got my swimsuit on.
I don't ever wear.
When I go to swim, I wear my bathing suit as drawers. And
I didn't know that people actually wore underwear when they swim.
They stay hydrated.
You didn't get your sandwich.
I got
She
it.
ate it.
All right, let go.
That sandwich is small. This is the best.
We just left Starbucks.
And it's hot. It's humid and hot. Unfortunately.
We just left Starbucks. She's right here. Everybody got their food.
In there.
So we're at Kings Island. They want me to go
Y'all,
on
me and Mahela are
Delirium.
always together. Like, it literally never fails.
They
It's
want me
always
to go on
me,
Delirium.
Mahela, and Cassie.
This looks scary, y'all.
It's not Mahela. See how nobody's screaming?
The ride just ended.
Shut up, huh? But there's nothing to be scared of. It's all right.
Like, this is why.
Okay, let's hurry up.
Scared.
I don't want to run.
We gotta rate Delirium.
Y'all, Delirium was something sly. I was laughing the whole time.
So for my first
And
time,
then I started laughing at Cassie.
for my first time, I give it a 10. I kept my eyes closed the whole time. So yeah, my hair.
My
is
edges
splitting
is
out.
split up.
I'm about to put this.
Ooh, shit, whole time.
Yeah, she was over here cussing the whole time, but it's scary.
Aubrey was cussing the whole time.
Cassie was laughing.
Buttercup was cussing. She said,
No, I wasn't.
She said, oh. You gotta walk faster.
No, I didn't. Oh my gosh.
I'm sad. We're on the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. It's hot. Oh, I love that. The slaughterhouse. That's so fun. It's like for the haunted haunt fest. It's so fun. There's like dead pigs in there.
Dead what?
Fake dead pigs. And it's just like, I don't know.
Yeah.
I like
Are we
it.
getting a, where we sitting?
You want to sit like in the like furnished back?
Like there, where the dude with the book bag is.
Yeah. Hey vlog. So it's 2 wet rides later.
Yeah, we went on 2 wet rides and it was nasty.
2 wet rides later, and then we rode Delirium again and Banshee twice. My hair is messed up. I don't know where my shirt is. Actually, it's in there. I don't have a shirt on currently. We're at McDonald's. This is what we're doing after. I have an account.
I do got points. Thank you, God.
I don't think I have any. Oh, what should I get? Do I want a 6-piece? 6-piece. Hello, everybody. It's July 7th and 6:18, and I'm getting ready to go to my friend's birthday dinner. I honestly don't know. I can't go to the mall, or I can't go to the dinner. But I can go to the mall. But at the same time, she said that it starts at 7:30. I don't know if she was talking about the dinner or the mall. But when I went to go check the location, she was at the mall. I don't know if she's just meeting up with everybody there. I don't know. But I'm just gonna start getting ready now, and like later on, I'll just check again and see if she's at the restaurant, because I'm confused. I don't know. And I don't want to miss anything because I will feel bad. I don't know. I'm so confused. And I don't want to keep asking her questions because I don't want to make her mad. But I'm just going to get ready now. My outfit, she said like what she's wearing is like red, black, and blue. So I go with the theme. So I just have this red Aeropostale shirt. These just regular jeans I got from American Eagle. And then for my shoes, I think I might wear these. If not these, then my Vans. So yeah, I'm just about to get ready now. And then yeah, I just don't want to be late. I'm stressing for what? I just don't want to miss something. I don't. So I'm just gonna get ready now. Okay, so figured it out. I need to relax because it's not even that serious. I don't know. I feel like I was just panicking for nothing. Let me relax. Let me just calm down. But I did get my outfit on and my hair situated. I think I want to curl my hair. I might ask if I can borrow her clipper. But for the scent, I think I'm going to do vanilla cashmere, which is what I did this morning. And then my perfume, I'm going to do my Billie Eilish vanilla perfume. I need some more bare vanilla, so I'm definitely going to go and get another. And after this, I'm probably going to be broke. So, have to somebody. But honestly, I don't really plan to do all my basic shopping today. I just plan to get some stuff, but not all of it. Okay. And I just want to put my shoes on and see if they go with it. Cause I don't know if they go or not. Like the Vans, the new school ones, they won't really go with this either. I feel like I need a red shoe, which I have another red shoe other than these. I was about to say, if it starts at 7:30, I don't think I'll people like it. I don't think I'll have a ride. Or these, but I feel like I don't really want to wear these. Like, yeah, it goes, but sometimes I don't think I want to wear it. Because these are long. These are 5.5. I think I'm going to wear these. For some reason, this just feels weird. I feel like it's because I don't have anything. And this is going to be my purse. Cute little marching bag. And put all my necessities in it. And then my wallet. Because I'm going to be using my Cash App card because that's where my money's at. Okay, I think I got my outfits. And then I have to go to like the gas station and get the rest of her like snacks and stuff. I think she's gonna like her gifts. It's a really cute gift. And then I had to make her phone case and then another friend's junk case, which I had to order that stuff. I haven't ordered it, and I should probably do that now or like tomorrow. Oh, this is just expensive. Everything about this is expensive. Going to the mall, going to the restaurant. The restaurant is low-key kind of expensive. Ordering stuff for cases and stuff. And she has an iPhone 17. I think I just heard another firework. I thought 4th of July was over with. Okay, I think she has an iPhone 17. Get the iPhone 17 case. Get the what color charms? Black and silver. Black and silver. Actually, I think I have black and silver, but just in case. And then I have to get blue and silver. So yeah, I plan to do all that stuff over the weekend and give it to them next weekend. Because stuff takes a long time to deliver, and I'm not paying for Prime. So, yeah. I'll see y'all when I get to the mall or when I'm about to leave. Peace. Because she wants me not I'm getting the bonus wings, tossed, and barbecue.
Or do I just want this shrimp and this garlic? It look good, and then enjoy my.
It's her birthday, Chloe.
Hi guys. I just know he better not spend a bunch of money. Taylor.
You should get a broccoli cheddar sourdough bread.
Can I? Do y'all think I can force it? Probably like 3 weeks.
Okay. Brooklyn. I came with Brooklyn. I can.
This is the crew.
He like. The way you so accurate is crying. She said. Why did Natalie not come? Okay.
Let me know.
Mahalas. My name is Mahala.
Mahalas.
Don't expect no money.
Huh? Girl. Okay, this special person. Like you trying to throw shit. I seen that. She said, "Don't take no money in there." The special person you are, the thoughtful things you do, and how much you mean to so many people. So happy to wish you a very happy birthday. Happy birthday, stank booty. Mom, you hear what I said? She said, "Happy birthday, stank booty."
Me and Shyla got the s'mores padoodle. S'mores padoodle. It was good.
Everybody else gets the stars and stripe one because it's amazing.
She got me a big 2 aquaphor.
Greasy booty. Listen, they making sure you good.
Good to go for back to
The
school.
best self-care.
She got me a little bag. This is what I need. Cause the last one I got, it
Get
ripped.
stolen.
It's ripped. And then, what is this? But thank you, Shyla. Thank y'all for
The
everything.
end. Okay.
Y'all
We
are
gotta
so
get-
sweet.
So that chili
Oh,
part,
this was good.
I'm part of that.
No. Oh, you still get my shoes tomorrow though?
You got a bracelet?
Okay, 3.
Stop. I don't want him here.
Oh, fine.
Says you want me to finish it for you? Just start to stripe one or something.
This is good.
I will finish it. It's a hole in the bottom. Really it has like a hole like right here. Mommy, ain't nothing gonna drop out of it. It's got a hole.
You don't know what you
Oh, there's a really good one. You know that black shelf that was right
No,
here?
I don't. I'm a camp out here, y'all.
Where should where do y'all
Right
feel
here.
good?
Or no, yeah,
You got it like that, yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Mahalo, you better take my picture. I need my phone. Oh, I gotta record real quick. Hold on. I'm at this one.
Oh, it feels good out here. What's the perfect temperature to take it?
Okay, hi guys. So we just got back.
So I got home. It's 11 o'clock, and I got home like 2 hours ago. But I just wanted to say, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one, I guess. Peace.